Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply download Facebook videos. Let's say you are scrolling on Facebook and you see any video that interests you so much which you would want to just save in your phone gallery so that you don't skip the video. Maybe you don't miss the video, you want to watch the video again and again next time, or even possibly share it on your WhatsApp status and all that, to just have it in a video format, not on Facebook. So once you download the Facebook video, it becomes your video. Nobody can delete it. Even if the person deletes it on the page, it is still intact in your phone. So some people have been, some of our audience have been asking us this question: how do I download Facebook video? So downloading Facebook video is very simple. Facebook does not provide the option to automatically or to download the Facebook video on the app. So but there is a strategy we usually use to download this Facebook video. And to do that, let's say you are scrolling through this Facebook and you see this interesting video of Yule Dochi. You say, wow, I wish to have this video on my phone gallery. I want to save this video on my phone gallery. So the first thing you are going to do if you want to download this particular video now is to click on the share button of the video. You can see the share button here, just like you want to share the video to others. So you click on the share button. When you click on the share button, you're going to see copy link. You can see copy link here. So click on copy link. Once you are done copying the link, or once you have copied the link, we are going to be using a third-party website. There are third-party websites which you can use to download Facebook videos. So to do that, we're going to head over to our web browser, either Chrome or whatever browser you usually use. So we'll go to our web browser. So this is our web browser. One of the websites that you can use to download a Facebook video is known as fdown.net. So we're going to type in the web address of that platform, which I said is fdown.net. So we visit fdown.net. So this is fdown.net. You will see the place where you paste the link of the video you have copied. You can see enter Facebook video link. So we paste here, click there and hold. Click it and stay for some seconds. Then it's going to pop up these options, paste. So you click on that paste. So we have clicked on this paste now. It has pasted the link of the video we copied. Then click on this download button here showing by your right hand side. We click on it. It's going to preview the video that we want to download so that you see and be sure that yes, this is the video that we want to download. This is the video now that we want to download. You see this option down here: download video in normal quality, download video in HD quality. So I usually go by normal quality so that the size of the video will not be that much. So we click on download video in normal quality. This is an ad, just cancel the ads here. So some platform has advert. So when you see the advert, just cancel the advert. So it has downloaded automatically. So you can see that it doesn't waste any time. If you go to your phone gallery now, you will be seeing this video downloaded in your phone. So even if Yule Dochi deletes this video now on his Facebook page, the video is already downloaded in my phone. I will even show him, well, I already have your video which you went and deleted. I already saved it in my phone. So alternatively, there are also other platforms that you can use to download Facebook videos. So in case you're unable to remember anyone you want to use, you can just go to Google, type a keyword like just type something like download Facebook video. So you go to Google and type this keyword, download Facebook video. Yes, type download Facebook video, then you click on search. Google is going to bring you several options, alternative options, which you can use and achieve the same thing. You can see this was the one we used. This first one was the one we used, which is fdown.net. This is another one, savefront.net. This is another one, snapsave.net. This is another one, fdownloader.net. So all these things are platforms you can use to download Facebook videos. And this is not just all. If you go to the next page of this Google, you are still going to be seeing many thousands of them. So this is a simple process, simple guide on how you can easily download the Facebook video without any problem. So if this video answers your question, do well to give it a thumbs up and share to your friends to also learn what you have just learned in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.